Money from RCBC Online to GCash. In this video, we are going to learn how to transfer money from RCBC Online to GCash. So let's get started. Number 1. Log into RCBC Online Banking. Open your web browser and visit the RCBC Online Banking website. Log into your account using your username and password. Number 2. Navigate to Fund Transfer or Bills Payment. Once logged in, navigate to Fund Transfer or Bills Payment section of the RCBC Online Banking platform. This option is usually located in the main menu or navigation bar. Number 3. Select GCash as the recipient. In the fund transfer interface, select GCash as the recipient or beneficiary of the transfer. You may need to add GCash as a payee or recipient if you have not done so already. Ensure that you have the correct recipient details, including the GCash account number or mobile number. Number 4. Enter transfer details. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your GCash account. Double check the amount to ensure accuracy. Number 5. Review and confirm. Review the transfer details, including the amount, recipient, and any applicable fee. Once you have verified everything, proceed to confirmation the transfer. Number 6. Enter one-time PIN. For security purpose, RCBC may require you to enter one-time PIN (OTP) sent to your registered mobile number or generated by a security token device. Enter the OTP to authenticate the transaction. Number 7. Complete the transfer. After entering the OTP, follow any additional prompts to complete the fund transfer transaction. Once the transfer is successful, you should receive a confirmation message or notification. Number 8. Check your GCash balance. Wait for a few minutes for the funds to be credited to your GCash account. You can then check your GCash balance using the GCash mobile app or by dialing *143# on your mobile phone. That's pretty simple. That's how you will be able to transfer money from RCBC Online to GCash.